Wow, that was a long flight from China. So this is Columbus. Excuse me, can you tell me where I can buy shoes?
Did you say shoes? I am Shoes Girl. And I hope to one day be Mrs. Shoe.
You must be Ma Jingjing, I can tell by your brains. My name is Shell Raid, but you can call me very rich Ray. Do you want me to buy you a spaceship?
Bizue. I only have eyes and brains for one man. Speaking of which, do you know where Shu Yimin is?
I don't know.
Hey, how do you know little Jane?
Sichuan is famous for spicy foods. And 150 Jane.
Of course. I should have known. I know everything. I am Sheba.
It was nice talking to you. I will see you in legal systems. I have to go to Easton to buy shoes. And to find another girlfriend.
I must also go, I have to find my love shoe. Good study.
Day up.